Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2019 Lexus GX460 with some great exterior features that include front and rear bumper sensors, 3M film protection, and roof rails. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got black leather interior. This Lexus also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats and memory seat adjustments. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio controls. On the right you have your hands-free calling and cruise at the bottom. This Lexus has 80,000 kilometers. Down below on the left side here you have your power mirror adjustments along with your heated steering wheel button. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have your AM/FM radio along with navigation, your climate controls, and a backup camera. Right below that we have our dual zone climate control settings. At the very bottom here you have your heated and ventilated seat dials along with the storage compartment and outlets. On the right side of your gear shifter you have your crawl control along with your four-wheel drive settings, suspension settings, and sport and comfort modes. Taking a look at the second row seats, we have two fold-out cup holders in the center. On the back of your center console, you have the rear climate controls along with your heated seat buttons and storage pouches in each of the seat backs. For access to the third row, all you have to do is lift up on this tab here, and the seat will fold forward. The back of this Lexus comes with a ton of storage space with the third row seats folded down, but if you're hauling larger items or just need the extra room, the second row easily folds down as well. To fold up or down the third row seats, you have convenient buttons located on the left-hand side. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2019 Lexus GX460 with some great interior features that include heated and ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, heated second row seats along with navigation, tri-zone climate controls, and power folding third row seats. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.